in this exercise, we'll configure directive control in the form of a login warning banner. Finally, you will test this directive. So the directive controls, these are one of those controls that you create within a network where you are not really detecting or stopping someone. You just like providing instruction, right? So let's go through that process of configuring a directive control. So we need to be on PC 10, yes, we are. And then we need to be user agent. Already I am that user. Okay. And then, all right, click start. So start is there at the bottom, which is this. And then select Windows PowerShell, admin one, right? And then this is user advanced control, user account control. Say yes. Enter the following code into the administrator Windows PowerShell. So this is the code that, for example, like when this control that we are using is the one way that will appear when the user switches on their laptop. No, when they switch on their laptop, they will see a screen that says, okay, this is advanced assessment as PC. Anything that you do on this PC will be audited and all of those information. Check here, what we're saying is this computer system is the property of Structure Inc. It is for authorized use only. By using the system, all users acknowledge notice of agree to comply with acceptable use policy. So this control, it also works hand in hand with the other policies that maybe HR might have. If someone use advanced assessment device and then they use it for wrong things, we can come back to this PC and say, okay, before you even switch on this PC, there was this message that shows you, okay, hey, this is the company property. You can't use it for personal use. You can't use it for this and that. So it doesn't really stop someone from doing whatever they want to do, but it's just like an act as an instruction. What you can see is I don't have time to type in this whole information, so I just clicked there and then press enter. So that's the first control. And then the second one is this new item property path. So every time when the user switches on this computer, they will be they will see this message on the screen there. And then the last PowerShell script. Right, and then you can now click on this score part. So the score part will go through the code that you've typed. So it's checking that you were able to complete the task, the previous task. And then if you see like a green part, yeah, you can see now shows us that green part to say, okay, the task is complete. So now you need to switch on the PC, switch it off and restart it so it will be able to show you what you have typed in so far. But there is the welcoming message now. It shows you that we have managed to implement the directive control. As I said, that the directive control, it doesn't really stop the user from doing whatever they want to do on the PC. It just works as an instruction to say, okay, we advise you that this is advanced assessment property, but you can do whatever you want to do, but like you need to follow the policies that are stipulated in advanced assessment, right? So it's not like a preventative control or what you call a detective control. This is a directive one, just a form of instruction, what needs to be done. And then you can see now there's the message. This computer system is the property of Structure Inc. It is authorized use. It is for authorized use only. And then you can click OK, then you log in. So this is what the user is going to see all the time. What is the goal of directive control? Prohibition, tracking, defense, compliance. It's more for compliance, right? It's more for compliance. All right, so we are done with this task. And then the second one is corrective controls. So the corrective control is intended to detect when something is in a less secure or less desirable stage. then attempts to return to the more secure